Now the
Perform
system
hand hygiene.
talks to me and guides me through the process. I have a big countdown on screen, so I don't have to sing happy birthday twice. And if I get distracted, I'm talking to someone, I'm not performing my hand hygiene.
I've lost track of your hands.
The system will tell me, too fast, please repeat step. So let's repeat.
Turn around and please wait. I will check the back of your gown.
And as you can see, the system is faster than me, so it will often be waiting for me, and it doesn't matter, it will react to my speed. And
Still checking.
eventually I will do what it's asking me to do, show my back.
Checking back of gown.
It talks to me when I have my back turned as well.
Gown open at back.
So I'll put on my gloves, and I can show my hands to the system, and it will detect that I don't have a glove on my left hand.
I can't see your left glove.
So let's put on a glove. And let's make a common error of not covering your wrists.
Move your left hand so I can see it. Checking wrists. Your left wrist doesn't seem covered.